Hello and welcome back to Rich Means Business, where we provide you with the best tech tutorials to help you overcome common problems. Today we are looking at how to fix Windows 10 problems using the recovery method. Windows 10 is an excellent operating system, but like all technology, we can sometimes experience issues that need fixing. Luckily, Windows 10 has an inbuilt recovery method that can help solve most problems. Now, the first step is to access the recovery environment, and this can be done by pressing and holding the Shift key while clicking on the power icon in the Start menu and selecting Restart. Alternatively, you can access the recovery environment by clicking on Settings in the Start menu and selecting Update and Security. Scroll down to Update and Security, then click on Recovery, and then click on Restart Now under the Advanced Startup. Restart Now. So if I click on Restart Now, I go straight to the recovery environment. Now let's wait as we are taken there. Now, once you are in the recovery environment, you'll be presented with a number of options. As you can see, there's a blue screen here, so you can choose to go to Troubleshoot and then select the option that best suits the problems you're experiencing. Under Troubleshoot, which is where the magic happens, the options include Reset this PC. And then you have advanced options. Under the advanced options, you have system restore, you have startup repair, you have command prompt, and many other options. All install, update, and so on and so forth. Now, if you choose to reset this PC, you have two options, and one is to keep my files or remove everything. Selecting keep my files will reinstall Windows 10 but keep your personal files and settings intact. Selecting remove everything will also reinstall Windows 10 and remove all your personal file settings and install applications. So it's simple: keep your files or remove everything. The name suggests everything. Now if you go back and choose advanced options, you have something like system restore. Now if you choose this, you'll be able to restore your PC to an earlier point in time when it was working correctly. So yesterday your computer was working fine, today it's not working. Use system restore, set it back to yesterday, and you're good to go. And it can be very useful for a very useful option if you've just installed a software or a driver that is causing issues. You can also use startup repair, which will try to fix any startup issues that are preventing your PC from starting correctly. This is very useful if your PC is stuck in the boot loop. A boot loop is when your PC restarts and then shuts down, restart and shut down on its own. So it warm boot and cold boot all the time. So you can use this option to fix that problem. And then you have command prompt. If you are familiar with command prompt, you can choose this option to manually execute commands that can fix specific problems. This option requires some knowledge in the command prompt, so use with caution. We're going to have some short videos. If you check our shorts, explain some specific commands that you can use. In conclusion, the Windows 10 recovery method is an excellent tool for fixing most issues that your PC may encounter. By following these steps, you can easily troubleshoot and fix your PC without having to take it to a technician. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Also, if you have another PC question, you can leave it in the comment section and we'll get to it.